Hey everyone, welcome back to TheFromhills. Sarah here, and this is our Haven Silver Caravan Tour. We were in Lakefields number 41, and we've got a beautiful lakeside view. So you've got a couple of steps up into the caravan itself. You come into the kitchen, which is quite a nice sized kitchen. You've got your fridge and freezer, little storage cupboard on the right with the boiler in, some cleaning utensils. You've got a big cupboard up here, and you've got your fridge and your freezer space. It's quite a good size fridge and freezer. You've got a little rail for your tea towels. You do have to bring your tea towels with you. And then you've got various cutlery drawers. They've all got these child safety proof locks on them. More storage space. You've got your gas grill, gas oven, gas hob, which was really easy to use. Kettle, very important, so you can have cups of tea. Microwave, and another little, can't open that one, storage thing up there. And you've got your sink, just some storage cupboards underneath with pots, pans, glass bowls, more storage, and your bin. Again, you have to bring your own bin bags, they don't come provided. You've got your toaster, cupboard up here which has got plates, plates, big plates, small plates, egg cups. That's what I was thinking when I said cups. Nice view out the window. And you've got your dishwasher, which is a small one but done the job for us. You have to bring your own dishwasher tablets. You've got the cutlery drawer here, and another big storage cupboard down there. So we were on here 3 nights. Glass cupboard up there and some more shelves. So we had more than enough cupboard space, and there's only the 3 of us. Obviously, if you come in as a family of 4 or 5, you hear that? I think the telly's just turned on by itself. Oh, it's not. So, I'll tell you what that is. So they are Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling, and they are connected to Dave's phone, so he's obviously sitting watching something on his phone. Turn that off by pressing that. Thought there was some random person in the caravan there. Anyway, continuing, you've got your little dining table here, which is lovely, and you can sit probably around 6-7 people around this thing as well. It's quite a good size. It's quite a large size. And then your big corner couch, little coffee table, and the coffee table has a double opening cupboard to store all of your snacks in, so that opens as well. There is a bed underneath the couch, so you can pull that out and you can use that as a bed. Probably fit a couple of kids on there as well, because again it's quite a big size. So as I said, you've got Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling, and to turn them on is just over here, and you've got your heating control system up here. So you literally just press the up and down button to choose whether you want normal heat, a little bit extra heat, or max heat. I suppose you would put it at comfort heat, or all the way down to off. That is for the main lights, and it's a dimmer, and you've got quite a good size TV screen there as well. Nice big radiator to keep the place warm. It's not a smart TV, however it does have quite a lot of channels on it, and it also has a DVD player on the side, so I would recommend you bring your DVDs and sit and watch some films. Little poofy there, that's a random chair, don't really know why that's there. And then you've got another big storage cupboard in there as well. And then you've got your nice big patio doors, comes out onto the balcony. This beautiful view of this lake, absolutely stunning. It The weather hasn't been great while we've been here. It's sunny, but it's still a bit chilly. It was windy and raining and stormy yesterday, so we haven't actually managed to sit outside, but it's been absolutely lovely having this view and being able to sit on a morning, have a cuppa on the couch and sit and look at that. Really, really nice. You've got swans, you've got geese, seagulls, pigeons, all sorts come around here. I'll just give you a bit of a better angle. Loads of floor space. This is a really good sized caravan. I honestly don't think my camera's doing it justice for the size of it. So if we go through this door, I do like that it's got this door in the middle as well, so that with us, Paige likes to stay up a bit later than we do, sit and watch our own films and things like that. So it's been really handy to have this door that you can keep shut so it keeps the noise out. One thing I will say though is that the doors don't really shut very well, and they're all like that. So if anybody's up and down in the middle of the night to go to the toilet, you will hear them. Right, so you've got a nice radiator in here, keeps the hall nice and warm. So this is the main bathroom. So toilet, obviously, nice little towel rail. Loads of storage. Again, no toilet roll, you have to bring it with you. And you've got a nice big cupboard under there. All of the windows have this like locking mechanism, so you can open them slightly, which is really good. Caravans tend to get quite stuffy. Got a nice good sized mirror there. Shaving plug, adapter, fan, and shower. Now the shower, the pressure on this thing is absolutely insane. It gets so hot and the pressure is unreal. I had to actually turn it down because it was a bit too much for me. I felt like it was going to knock my skin off. But it's a really nice powerful shower. Some hoops up there for your towels. Again, bring your towels with you, they aren't supplied. Just turn the light off in there. Now this is two singles. We didn't use that one, so that's still untouched. You've got a nice big wardrobe here. And you've got some hooks up there. 4 big size cupboards, little shelf, and a bedside table. And you've got your plug in between. And it's also got 2 USB chargers on it. So if you are coming with a couple of kids, you know, parents, grandparents, whatever, everybody can charge their phones. And they've got little lights on either side of the bed. And the controls just in the middle, which I absolutely love. It means you can get into bed and you don't have to get up, go to the other side of the room to turn the light off. So it's a little bit snug in here. My leg literally just say fits through the middle, but it'll be fine for 2 children. And then this is the main bedroom. So you've got a double here. I will say it is a very snug double. Me and Dave kept elbowing each other all night long. Every time you turned over in the middle of the night, it felt like we were going to headbutt each other. So I do think that's smaller than a regular double. Or at least that's what we found. You've got a radiator, bedside table in each. Each one's got a good sized drawer in it. And then storage under. And again, you've got your plug socket and it's got 2 USB ports on. And each side of the bed has got the little down lights. You've got 2 big cupboards on either side again with more storage. Now again, we've only been here for 3 nights, so we didn't need to use any of that. We didn't bring enough stuff to store in it really. And there's a heating control just over there as well. So you can turn the heating on timer, turn it off timer. You've got your remote control, because this one has got a little television. And it's got a nice big mirror there, nice big mirror there, and then your little dressing table. The hairdryer did come with it. It is unfortunately broke, however, so we did report that, and they did deliver us a new one, which I've just left boxed in the cupboard. The hairdryer itself is not very powerful. I think the other one would have been, but this one is not powerful at all. But it gets really hot, which I think makes up for lack of power. So you've got a nice big wardrobe, which has got the automatic light thing on, so when you close the door, it does turn it off, which I really like. You've got some extra bed sheets, and then you've got 2 quite large drawers on the bottom. So this caravan does not lack for storage at all. Now, we were struggling when we first arrived to find out where you put the suitcases. However, we did notice, I don't know if I can do it because it's actually, oh I can, there's storage under the bed there. It is very heavy though, and there's extra quilts and pillows if you need them. And then we've got a little ensuite, which we didn't realise we got, but I think we ended up getting a free upgrade because we didn't pay for a lakeside cabin, but we got one anyway. So it's quite small in here. When you're sitting on the toilet, unfortunately your legs nigh on are up against the door. Now I'm only little, I'm only 5'1", and I was quite squished in here, so if you're a taller person, probably going to be really compact, but it's adequate. And 2 toilets definitely helps when there's a couple of people. You've also got some hooks up here as well. We like hooks, you know, coats, scarves, hats, towels, dressing gowns. We like hooks. One thing I will say is we're here in August and it did get a little bit chilly on the nights, and the heating does work, however it seems to go off fairly quickly, so we did bring a couple of blankets as well, and just a couple of throws. So I'd maybe recommend that, especially if you're coming in the colder months, because it does get a little bit chilly in here, especially if the wind's blowing. However, saying that, if the sun's out, it doesn't half heat up and you end up feeling like you're getting cooked. But yeah, so overall we've enjoyed our stay. I would definitely come back again. I would definitely recommend paying for the lakeside view. We weren't going to do it, but we ended up getting one anyway. And I don't think I could go to a standard one now, it's just too pretty. I mean, look at this. I've got this lovely, lovely family swans. How nice is that? So yeah, definitely recommend. Definitely come here again. Haggerston Castle for heathen. We've got another Crimden Dean caravan tour coming up over the coming months, and we are also off to Florida next month. So if you are enjoying our travel vlogs and our room tours and you want to see more, please hit the like and subscribe button. It honestly really does help our videos and our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a little thumbs up. If you've stayed here before, just drop it in the comments, let me know what your thoughts and experiences were. Any questions, just feel free to ask. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.